Hello and welcome to the 5th episode of the Wild West Pygame series. Today we will be creating the platform to jump onto. So we first be placing the platforms into the Pygame and then making the character change the level at which he will hit the floor. To begin, I will want to do pygame.draw.create and we're going to put, to create a rectangle, we're going to put .rect. Then in brackets we place in window. And next up we want the colour that we'll be using today, which will be colours 2. Now I want another pair of brackets, and this is where I put the width, height and coordinates. So first is the coordinates, so I'll put 0 and 900. For this, then I want it to be the width of the window, so window size and then 0, and then we want it to be 50 thick. I want to make another 3 platforms, so I'll copy and paste it in a further 3 times. So copy, and then we'll paste it in 1, 2, 3. I just need to change the sizes, so the coordinates will be 500, 590, 1000, and then 590, and then 750 and 350. And there we go. So now then all we have to do is we have to make it so the width of each of these new ones is 200 and the height of them is 50. So the height's already 50, so I just need to go through all these window size zeros and just change these to 200. And there we go. Now that is it. We have created the platforms. Now to make the character jump on them. So first what we need to do is create an if statement. We need to create an if statement to check for the location of the character. So this will be if character 2 is smaller than 700 and character 2 is bigger than 450 and character 3 is smaller than 4440, and then we need to add the timer from the last video, so I'm going to put and timers 1 is bigger than 32, then a colon. Now inside here we want to set character 4 to 4340. Now copy this and paste in 2 more times. 1, 2. We just need to change a few values. So for the first one of the values, we need to do 1200, 950, 4440, so that's already there. 950 for the next one. 700, and then finally 3500. And then inside this one here, we want to change this character 4 to 1940. So what we need is the timer to be above 32 and for none of the conditions above to happen. So do if and then not. Then inside the brackets we want to copy and paste every single one of these conditions, and in between them we want to put or. So I put that in, paste, or. That one, grab it, put it in, or, and then finally we just grab this one and we'll paste this in as well. Now that we've done that, we want to make sure the timer is over 32. So after the brackets, we just put and timers 1 is bigger than 32, and then a colon. Then inside put character 4 equals, and then finally 7440. Now we are done. When we run it, we can now jump on the platforms that we have just created. I hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed following it through. Please consider liking and subscribing. Tune in next week where we'll be creating code for reloading the weapon.